Hey friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows level update KB5072033 not installing on Windows level version 25H2. In this video, seeing before we begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Now follow the all steps one by one, follow to this problem, fix it. Let's go ahead that first step, services. So for that, go to the Windows search bar and type services and click on it and open. Then scroll down and find Windows Update and click to select and right click. Then below click on the properties. Then go to the general. Here you can see the service status is running. If there is service status is stop, just start button click here to change and hit the apply and OK button click here to close to processed. After that come to back. Then go to the start menu, click on the power button, choose the restart button, click here to restart your system. After reboot, then go to the Windows Update, check it. If this try to still not working, then go to the next step, troubleshoot Windows Update. So for that, go to that Windows search bar, then type settings, click on the settings, then top settings search bar, click to type Windows Update, click on the show all the results, and scroll down, find and click on the find and fixing problem with the Windows Update. You can get the new tab, then click on the next button. Here find the you're detecting problems, so wait here, so show the your problems here, so that you have to restart the computer and then try running the Windows Update again. Just next one click here to restart your system, then your problem fix it. If this try to does not working, then go to the next step, update file delete. Sometimes your update file corrupted or mistake error. If this getting this error, so just simply that file delete, then your problem fix it. So for that, go to the Windows file explorer, then click on the local disk C, double tap to open it, then scroll down and find Windows folder and click on it. Scroll down and click on the software distribution folder, then select it all, then right click and click on the delete button. Once it that delete all folder, after that come to back, go to the restart your system, then go to the Windows Update, continue follow to this problem fix it. So go to the settings, click on the Windows Update. Here click on the restart button, click here to restart your system, then your problem should be fixed of them. If you have any doubt, comment section go to comment, I give the answer. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment, and don't forget subscribe and like. If you want more gaming and Windows level or Windows 10 gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.